Pampered Chef tools lend themselves to great gifts that we can give people. When you make things yourself, they're much appreciated. They're inexpensive and you can have some on hand. Also, we can teach our customers how to make these gifts as well. So I'm going to show you 2 or 3 quick little things that I have used many times over the holidays for friends, for family, for service people. I take to my hairdresser, my post person, all kinds of different ones. So the first thing I'm going to do is use our wonderful mason jar and make a cookie mix. So I have the recipe and you'll be able to see that. So the first thing is 1 3/4 cup of flour. I already have 1 cup in, but I'm going to do 1 more cup. All of our measuring tools, of course, are wonderful. If you wondered why this little tool comes, it's because when you measure flour, you should never really scoop in like this because that packs it too tight. You should take a spoon and just fill it to the top, overfill it, and use this to scrape it off. Kind of tap it and go this way. That's the correct way to measure flour. So we have 1 cup in there. I'm going to add another 1/2 cup. And then I need to add another 1/4 cup. So the same thing, I'm going to just scoop it in and level it off. So this only has about 8 ingredients and it looks so pretty. So we have our flour. We need baking soda and salt. I already put those in there. I'm going to kind of get this out of the way because some things are pre-measured already. You need something flat. The key to this is and I think this little measure-all cup works perfectly, to flatten things, and it's nice because it goes right around the edges. And you want to get it nice and tight so that when you deliver this as a gift, it doesn't spill all over the place. Part of it is, the eyes feast first. It looks really fun. It looks really impressive when you're giving it as a gift. So that's the first layer. The next layer is going to be brown sugar. And we're going to need 3/4 cup of brown sugar. As you know, you measure brown sugar by packing it in. This would be really hard to put in. So put it in something else. And then break it up with your hands or with a spoon so it's all crumbly. And then put it in your jar. Hopefully you can see this a little at a time. And then we're going to pack this layer as well. Okay, that is 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to find our little handy tool to pack it in. It's what this does too, it kind of creates a sealed layer for the flour and the powdered sugar and the salt, so it's not going to spill everywhere. So just kind of look at the outside edge. You can see, it depends on how particular you are, how flat it's going to be. The center isn't as important, except for space. So you can see the brown sugar is real pretty. Next is the white sugar, 1/2 cup, and I have this already measured. And if you want to see a good layer, mix it around a little. Kind of make a hole in the middle. White sugar doesn't pack that well, but you can kind of spread it around. Oats are next, 2/3 cup. Oops! Of course, pampered, not perfect. You can see how pretty that looks. And then we're going to add the chocolate chips. I like to do some holiday M&Ms, 2/3 cup. What's nice about these measuring tools as well is you have like the 2/3 and the 3/4 so that you don't have to measure a couple different times. Let's take a few of those out. And they go next. Right there. And then you can top it off. It's about 2/3 cup of chocolate chips, but I just fill it to the top. Okay. How pretty is that, you guys? You can put the lid on. Oh, yeah. Okay, nice and pretty. And then you can put some kind of a bow. Let's see, I had a bow here. And did you know, if you come over my shoulder, there's a secret way to make bows that are flat. So go around the edge and do your first tie, like you're tying your shoe. And then you always take the one that's coming out of the bottom and make the loop with that and the other loop going on top. And then you get a bow that's straight. Do you guys know that? Just a little tip for you. And then what you're going to want to do is take the directions that came with it cut this out because it tells them what to do with it. I won't do all the sides. It says, here's a quick, delicious treat for your family. After you've enjoyed the cookies, you'll love this Pampered Chef make and take mason jar for storing soups and sauces. Also for making salads for lunch. And it goes on and tells preheat oven to 375, and it tells them how to make it. So you can put it in a card and attach it to this and make a really cute little gift. Isn't that fun? And then they have something they'll use later on. So I'll put that right there. The other thing I like to use is our 1-cup prep bowls and fill them with some treats. Let's see, let's fill this a little more and use these bags. So super easy. They're little cellophane bags. They come like 20 in a package. Get the ones that have the little gusset in it so you can open it. And what I found to be the best way is take your lid, put it in first, just put it right in the bottom. Fill up your, if it's someone you know, of course you can do M&Ms or something like this. If it's someone you don't know, you're going to want to have candy that's already packaged. Stick it right in there. Simple as can be. Bring it together with a little tie, like so. How cute is that? And then I have a note for that too, which I'll include that, hope you like the treats inside the bowl. Once the treats are gone, the bowl becomes a gift, and it tells how to use it. So there's that one. And this one, I'm just gonna do one more. Oh, get rid of these. As I said, if you're gonna give this to someone that doesn't know you well, use something, and there wasn't very much Christmas candy out yet, but use something that's red or green, peppermints, put it in. And you know, these little prep bowls come 6 to a package. Put it on any kind of bow, and fasten it up. And attach a little note to it. And those are some fun little ideas that you can use as gifts. So besides that, I wanted to say one more. A great, absolutely delicious cookie recipe is a celebration cookie mix that's on our consultant corner. Try that. It fits into this little bowl, makes another great gift. Hope you enjoy our time together. Thanks.